Get bananas if you want them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa, Mukunda wa Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I'm the daughter of Africa, guys. I love gardening, guys. I like gardening so much, and today I'm going to harvest beetroot from my garden and some potatoes. I want to make flatbread. So right now I'm getting a hoe from this house where we keep our tools. Yes, I just need a small hoe to use. So let's go and harvest the potatoes together. And I also need to harvest this. I hope it's ripe enough so that I can make juice from the papaya. I hope it's ripe. And I'm going to check maybe another tree down there. It has some papayas. Look at our garden, guys. The leaves of the corn are starting to die, yellowing and dying back. As you can see, that means the corn is getting dry. Very soon we are going to harvest. So we have some tomatoes this side. I can see there's a papaya on that tree, a papaya on the tree. So I'm going to harvest that one maybe. So the beetroot is here, guys. That's it, guys. Let's get this one. Look at this. Get this one and let's get another one. She's big. So then this will answer. There's a crack. I think two is enough. And I hope we'll get something here, guys. Let's see if we can get some potatoes here. Oh, I'm lucky. Okay. Red soil. Now let's see which papaya can we get. Oh, this is it, guys. Charlie, quero comer noise. This is pork sausage that you see. So I have to open it like this so that I can remove the meat inside like this. So guys, as you can see, I'm mashing the potatoes using this cup. Growing up, I used to see my mother doing this, using a cup to mash potatoes or anything like this. I'm going to add shallots, the spring onions that I have here. Let's add flour. Gonna wash these things because we need this. We have to use this. The papaya is from our garden also. This is half beetroot. It's clean to make a drink. I like it from our garden. Look at this, guys. I have this. It's full of pecans. So anytime I want to eat pecans, I just come and get this. I just crack and eat. This one, it doesn't have a handle. The handle broke. I need these two that you see. Those ones that you see, I hit them. Put it here in there. This is what we have here. That's it, guys. So I used the potatoes that I harvested from the garden. Let's do this. The sausage is here. Let's add the tomatoes. Let's add a little bit of salt. A little bit. Just a little bit, guys. I don't want too much salt. I don't want... Yeah, it's good enough. Not too much. I don't want too much of that. We have our flour here. Look at that. Bread. This is what we do. This. Let's see how it goes. Our pot here. Let's see how is it. Oh, let's eat. We're good. If you're good, we're good. So guys, now let's make juice together. I have these things with me. I have beetroot. I'm going to cut beetroot. Blender. Look at that. We are getting some strawberries now. The strawberries are giving us some fruits. Look at this one. It's getting ripe. Kromidza. There are some bananas that side and they are ripe. The ripe bananas, I'm going to harvest those. Kizua is busy in the garden, spraying the garden. Look at that. We have some tomatoes. That's it, guys. The girls are working hard today. They are working hard. I did. Murufa arufa na udiridzwa nti. Handisi kutomboda kana kuti dress rangu rikanganiswe neuyu. That's it, guys. Let's see how it goes. Look at that. Ripe bananas. Oh, did you see? Did you see this? Look at this one. Birds were eating. Look at this. The birds were eating bananas. But I'm happy that I'm getting the ripe ones. The ripe ones straight from the tree. If you are harvesting bananas, don't wear something light like this if you don't know about bananas. But you can wear something light, and you should make sure that you are not going to stain your clothes or your dress or your t-shirt. So yeah, so now I know I'm not going to stain. The soup that comes out of this can stain your clothes, and those things will never, you won't be able to remove that watery thing that comes from banana. You won't be able to remove that from your dress. So make sure you are not wearing something light if you don't want to stain, but I know how to do it. So let's have this, guys. I'm happy today because this is my day to rest. But after this, it's not resting as such because I will have to go to the market. So let's do this together. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Ah. Look at this. Look at this. But you stain your dress. This water can stain your dress, guys. Yeah, this is what we have, guys. Let's go. Imagine. Chico, if you want one, you can get this. Do you want? Come and get. Get bananas, eat. Yeah. Get bananas if you want them. Nice one. Nice one.